back to my channel. I have another unboxing for you all, so let's get started. This is their holiday packaging. It has this hologram design. It's colorful and it's shiny. I like it. Okay, so here's the box. And look at the ribbon. It's color black with silver accent. And here's the receipt. There, so let's open it. Here's the packaging. Okay. So here it is. This is my Gucci knitted scarf, and the color is pink and gray. It has this GG monogram pattern. So this is double-sided. Here you can see the gray, and on the other side, I mean the pink, and on the other side is the gray. So this is double-sided. You can wear it in both ways. There. And it has this fringe edges. So here's the tag. Gucci, made in Italy. This is 100% wool, so dry clean only. So this is so soft and it's so long. You can style this in so many ways. I love the color combination because I love the color pink and gray. I want a pop of color in the winter. And this is also great for springtime. Let's do a quick modeling shot. So this is double-sided. You can wear it both ways. There. I like this scarf. Feels so warm and cozy. There. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!